Hi everybody, it's Julie and welcome to my kitchen. Yes, I did change the color of my hair. I'm back blonde. A lot of people know me with blonde hair. Anyway, tonight we're going to make coconut custard pie. Yes, you heard me right. Coconut custard pie. And it's going to be sugar-free. What we're going to use in this is a pie. I've already browned the pie crust because I made a lemon pie already for the for shorties. So anyway, what we're gonna need is heavy whipping cream. Whole milk. I use lactose-free whole milk. And yes, whipping cream does not have any sugars. If anybody wants to know, and there's one carb. That's it. We've got vanilla, nutmeg, 0 calorie, sucralose, I guess is how you pronounce it. This is Aldi's. I normally use the Great Value, but I was in Aldi's and I picked this up. Then we have unsweetened coconut that we're going to toast on parchment paper, 3 eggs, salt. I think that's it. So hang on to your boots. I would say it's done. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna set this over here. And that, my friend, is our coconut cream pie. I'm going to let it cool, and then I am going to wrap it up and put it in the refrigerator. So I hope y'all enjoyed this sweet sensation, sugar-free sensation. I hope y'all try it out. Talk to you later. See you, bye.